Hey everyone, I'm Stan from Stan's Stance, back again to give you my stance on products that are great for small spaces, add convenience, and keep you and your family safe around the house. Well, today I'm going to give you my stance on another product, which I found super helpful to keep my family safe, then protect my child from also trying to get out of the house. So this is a product called the sliding window and door lock. And it's really an easy device that you can add onto your sliding door to keep your little one from trying to get out and also to keep someone from getting in. Well, I'm going to show you how it works in a moment. So really simply, just to describe the product, it's not a whole lot to it. The back has an adhesive that you stick right onto the glass in your sliding door, which I'll show you in a moment. And there's got these two buttons here. Basically, you press them together and unlocks, and this will prevent the sliding door from actually moving or getting beyond it. And it's flat enough to actually slide right over it. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of how that works. All right, let's go. All right, as you can see, I've got a pretty standard sliding door here. And I've got I've set up to have two different positions for locking. So the first one on the right is, they're both currently in the unlock position. So let me just show you first what happens when you slide the door. You'll see that at least it goes right over. So it's a perfect fit, no problem. So this is just the standard unlock position. When I press the two buttons on the side, I've got this first one now in the lock position. And when I try to open the door, it stops. So you see that the door is not open all the way at all, not even a little bit. All right, let's say I want to have some fresh air in the house, but I don't want my child getting out. So what I'll do is I'll put this one back to the unlock position, and then I'll get the second one into the lock position. Open the door, passes over the first one, gives a little bit of opening here, so you'll see there's a little bit of space here. You can do this even tighter if you like, but this should be enough space to keep my little one from getting out. All right, and that's it. So I'm gonna put it back in the lock position, so now I can prevent any intruders or my child from trying to open the door, even when it's unlocked. Well, I hope that demo was helpful for you. Now, if this is something you're looking for, I have provided a link down below to where you can find it on Amazon. When I got it, the price was $21.99, and that is for a pack of 6. So that's plenty to go around the house if you need to secure some other windows or even another sliding door. So definitely plenty for that price. Well, my stance on the product, I'm going to give it 4 stars out of 5 because, well, it'd be nice if this was actually transparent, because then it'd hide a lot better or a little bit more discreet on the glass. But not a big deal. It does the job. Really easy to set up. Very strong adhesive. You can see by just tugging at the door and trying to push it, it doesn't come off. Which could be a bit to clean up when you have to remove the adhesive, but I think that's a lot easier or less of a worry than the safety of your little ones or your family. Well, thanks for watching. Again, please add your comments or questions down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can hear more of my stance on other helpful products for around the house. Happy shopping. Bye-bye.